All right, this is the practice tutorial video for Hear the Bells. So, if you're practicing at home and you don't have bells, it's totally fine. Any rhythm that we play with bells, you can either clap them, you can pat them on a hard surface, you can pat them on your lap. Any of those things are fine. If you are using bells at home to practice with, please make sure you have permission to use them first. We don't want to be borrowing things that we don't have permission to borrow, and we don't want to be driving people bonkers with our practicing. That's not the point of it. So please make sure you ask for permission first. When we are playing the bells, the ones we have at school have this little Velcro dealio going on here. So most people would put them on their wrist and wear them like a bracelet and then play them that way. We are not going to do that. When you put them on your wrist and you shake it like that, it's a lot more uncontrolled sound and it's not going to have that crisp, clean rhythm that we're looking for. The way that we're going to play ours is we're going to leave them Velcroed in a loop like such, and then we're going to slip our fingers through and we're going to make a fist around them. So basically the bells are kind of above your knuckles like this. And then when we play them, we basically only move our wrist forward like that. So if I was to play ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, I would do ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. That way it's nice and crisp and clear. Okay? So we're going to go over the 4 different rhythms we use to play and the words that go before them. So listen to them ringing is the first set of words. Listen to them ringing. Can you say that with me? Listen to them ringing. Then the rhythm we play is ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. So let's put that together with the words. Ready? Listen to them ringing. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Next set of words. Clanging and a clinging. Can you say that? Clanging and a clinging. And the rhythm that goes with that is ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. So let's put those 2 things together. Clanging and a clinging. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Okay. Third set of words. Happy sounds they're bringing. Can you say that with me? Happy sounds they're bringing. And the rhythm is ta, ti, 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 ta. Let's put those 2 things together. Happy sounds they're bringing. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Excellent. And the last set of words, as we all are singing. Can you say that with me? As we all are singing. And the rhythm is ta, ta, ta. And I do that for the rest at the end, so that way we're not making a shushy face because the audience would get confused if we did that. We just do ta, 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 bubble in our mouth to remind us not to say the rest at the very end. So let's put that together. As we all are singing, ta, ta, ta. Once we've gotten through that and we go back to the beginning, hear the bells ring-a-ling-a-ling, we're going to be playing our bells gently, twice as fast as the beat. So we'll be doing, hear the bells ring-a-ling-a-ling, hear the bells ring, so on and so forth, until we come back to the listen to them ringing. Then we would simply play our rhythms there. And then the last 2 lines, we watch me for the cues. We don't play until the very end, ring, until I do a cutoff there. When I say that we play them gently, twice as fast as the beat, I really do mean that, because we can't all be going. It would sound crazy and we would look crazy. Crazy is not what we're going for. We want to look put together, like we got our poop in a group, people. So let's go ahead and try the whole song from beginning to end. Hear the bells ring-a-ling-a-ling, hear the bells ring. 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 Listen to them ringing, clanging and a clinging. happy sounds they're bringing as we all are singing. Hear the bells ring-a-ling-a-ling, hear the bells ring. 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 Listen to them ringing, clanging and a-clinging.